Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Ayan, ang buwan ay malabo kasi natatakpan ng ulap. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Sana ay ligtas kayo dyan sa Cebu City. And today is Thursday, 6th of November. So, and the weather for today is about, wala. Time check for 11 na everyone. Hindi makapag release ng yung reloj. Yeah. See. Ayan. The weather for today is about 14 degrees. Someone cooling, and that's so I stop my video. So that's it at the moment. Time check again for 14. I'm in the middle of the road, everyone, because no one is here. I passed by here walking in the main road because it's not complicated to my feet, rather than the pavement is they are uneven. They are not flat. So, and that's it at the moment. See you after 6 hours. I need to hurry to go home. No need to drop by in anyone else or in anywhere else because my nanay have an appointment. And that's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. Hindi malamig ngayon. Exage lang yung aking naiinitan yung I'm getting sweating at the back of my back. It's getting sweating because it's not cold today. So I'd rather take it off. Bye. Bye and bye. Uy, ang ganda ng kulay ng halaman. Oh, yung puno pala. I mean, oh. This is the final. Look, have a look. Primavera. Yeah. Primavera at this time. Kita niya yung may tumawid. Kain tayo, everyone. Ang pandesal. Breakfast in Imperial before work. Time check, 9:08, everyone. I'll take the train today, the district line, because I need to hurry to go home. Because may appointment si nanay sa wala na namang iba. May appointment si nanay sa kanyang diaper, urinal. See you later, everyone. After 2 trains and 8 minutes walk or 10 minutes walk. Bye. South Kensington. My train is here already. So, my first train. Oh, it's full everyone. Oh, kita nyo yan. Oh, see. Westbound platform. Going home, everyone. Waiting for the Jubilee line. Wembley. The train is already here. Thank God it's
Please allow the passengers of the train before you board. Welcome to Westminster Station. Exit at the end of the platform.
good morning kay inay. Ay, ngayon lang siya nag dahil ako ang kailangan niya. So, alam niyo na, ang unang gagawin niya, uupo sa kanyang trolley and then magbanyo. Going to the bathroom. Tapos, diaper. Hindi man na. Pupupu. Then, diaper. And then, breakfast, everyone. Yan, nakaupo na siya sa kanyang bagong trolley. Oo. Umusog. Wala sadya. Sadyang hindi nilagyan ng ano. Hindi. Kaya, naiusog ko. Ayun lang everyone. Magbanyo na kami. Para matuto ka. Ayan, marunong na siya mag-drive ng kanyang badya. Badya. Mamaya pakita ko. Nakalimutan ko. Kabomba, nakalimutan ko. Breakfast ni Nana. Time check. 11. Brunch na nga ni Nana yan. Pero mamaya yan magla-lunch pa. Baby time. After breakfast.
Gawa ako ng bago kasi yung aking email hindi. Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, nag-block siya.
Mm. 135.71. Okay? Ayan, panganay at bunso. Nag-aayos kay nanay. Mamamasyal.
Ayan. Ha? Okay na?
At
Alalad,
ako.
nakabili, bibig ako nito.
Yan. Time check. 12:16 na. Grabe. Pupunta lang ako dito sa corner shop. At bibili tayo ng patatas. Magluto ako ng corned beef with patatas. Kasi, inayos muna si nanay. In repair or ano niya kasi ngayon, check up para dun sa ano to, yung urine and poops para sa free supply of diapers. Yun. So, hindi na kami bibili na monthly, almost 35 pounds ang nauubos. Ayan. 35 pounds. Pero 3 kami kada month. May na-order. 2 ng 2. So, 30. Bawat isang pack is 30 pieces. O, diba? And then, monthly, ang order ko is 2 packs, 60. So, ayun. Ngayon, paubos na yung binili ni Hermana kasi ako noong pang isang buwan naubos. Hello! Cleaning? Oh, that's good. And then, all the time. There's a lot of dried leaves. And then, ang next na, pag naubos yung nandoon, may stock next si Hermanito naman ang mag-buy. So, yung check-up ngayon is check-up interview sa kanya. Sa urine niya and then sa poops. Kung ilang beses siya, nakakailang beses siya, nakakadumi sa paghapon, and then nakakailang beses siya magpalit ng diaper, yung ganyan. So, what size, isusukatin din daw siya. Although alam na naman namin, pero ang gusto nila talaga is makita si nanay in ano ba tong tawag dito? In real. Yeah, diba? So, ayun. Dito tayo. Malapit na tayo sa corner shop. Para magbili lang ako ng 3 patatas. Ay, hindi. 2 na lang. Kasi, tomorrow is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, everyone. Bye at the moment. See you later. Just saging and potato. Ayan. So, no more. Wow. My prestige. Later, I'm gonna buy the eggs. Tapos, yan. Uwi na tayo, everyone. Ito yung aking corner shop. Buy at the moment. Luto tayo ng corned beef. Holy place. Ayan. Ang food for today. Kain tayo, everyone. Eating time for lunch. Dito ako sa taas kumain. Kasi wala si nanay. Sa check-up. May stop. Time check. 3:34, everyone. Pasok naman tayo sa pang gabi. Night shift is the day. Is the night. And as usual, Hammersmith and City Line pa rin. So, until now, hopefully on Monday, it's not the same. So, ayun everyone. See you after 2 trains and struggle. Ganda. O, nag-iisang bulaklak ngayong pa-winter na. Diba? Okay, see you when I see you everyone. Time check. 3:43 everyone. Here in the train and better than the bus because it's after 2 minutes there is another train coming. After 2 minutes the train is coming. So this is good everyone. Rather than bus. See you. Ayan everyone. Close pa rin. So, dito tayo sa kabilang side. To take the, yan ang open. To take the platform 5. City, Hammersmith and City Line. Yan doon. Yan. Diyan tayo. Ayun, may train na. Pero, ay wala. Other side pa lang. Ay, naku, ayun na. Ayun na. Meron na. Nandito na sa Ligon. Okay na tayo na Via Victoria Circle Line yan. I'm from the train, so way out. It's time check 16:20 to everyone. Way out tayo sa Aldgate Station. So, circle line lang dapat talaga ang sasakyan. Dahil para hindi matulad kahapon na basta sakay na lang ng sakay, biking, ang layo dun sa Aldgate is ang baba. So, it's very far by walking everywhere. Dito tayo. Mag-check out, top out, and everything. Everyone. You see when I see you. So there, the top out. Grabe. Top out tayo. Thanks. Finally, in 5 minutes. Going home, everyone. The moon in the sky, everyone, is very light because of the ulap. So, good evening, everyone. I'm going home. Ayan na. So, that's it. See you at my kids for my dinner. Everyone.
Nakatapos na kayo,
Kain
nakapagtrabaho na kayo,
tayo,
makakabili kayo ng
everyone.
masasarap na pagkain tulad dito.
for dinner in bed. Yan lang everyone. After here, good night, God bless, and I love you all.